Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to unlock the secrets to the Instagram Holy Grail, the blue checkmark. Getting that verified badge beside your name is a priceless status symbol. It makes you easily discoverable in search results and conveys authority. The best part, you don't have to be a celebrity with millions of followers, and you don't need insider connections at Facebook. In fact, anyone can claim their verification badge now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the steps to get verified on Instagram, as well as some tips to maximize your chances. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let us talk about why getting verified is essential. The blue checkmark is most commonly seen with celebrities and major brands. It lets profile visitors know that Instagram's verification team has vetted your profile and you are legit. Remember, this badge cannot be bought, so beware of scams promising verification for a fee. Here are some key reasons why you should aim for that coveted blue checkmark. Stop impersonation. Whether you are an e-commerce brand or an influencer, it is crucial to let your profile visitors know that you are the real deal. Credibility. The blue tick is a symbol of trustworthiness for Instagram users, boosting engagement and, of course, sales. Increase visibility. Verified accounts rank higher in search results, which means more brand awareness, audience growth, and conversions. Now, let us break down the 4 requirements to get verified on Instagram. Authenticity. You must be a real human or a legitimate brand. Be prepared to provide documentation to prove it. Unique profile. No multiple accounts for the same person or business, unless they are in different languages. Original content is a must. Complete profile. At the very least, you need a public profile, a profile picture, a written bio, and be an active user. This is where it gets tricky. Instagram defines notability as representing a well-known or highly searched for personal brand. This is the toughest requirement to meet. Now, the application process is quite straightforward. From your profile, tap the menu button, go to settings, then account, and finally, request verification. Step number 1, fill in your information, including your real full name and upload the required documents. Step number 2, confirm your notability by selecting your category and country. You can also provide additional information about your audience and other names your account is known by. Here is where it gets interesting. The key to success is in the supporting evidence you provide in the form of links. Instagram explicitly states that paid or promotional content would be considered, so don't use advertorials. The best types of links are real editorial mentions from traditional news sites, major publications, or academic journals. Now, if you are wondering how to get featured in those prestigious publications, remember that news outlets are driven by page views and advertising revenue. You can reach out to local bloggers, neighborhood newspapers, and small news sites to share your story. They are always on the hunt for fresh content. Gradually, your story might attract the attention of larger publications. For those with deeper pockets, you can consider hiring a PR agency. But keep in mind, there is no guarantee of verification and it can be costly. Always ensure the agency has access to Facebook's Media Support Tools portal. Lastly, if you are actively growing your Instagram following and have products to sell, Shopify offers a powerful integration with Instagram. It allows people to purchase your products directly from your Instagram post without leaving the app. To sum it up, here is your Instagram verification checklist. Complete profile with a profile picture, bio, and website link. Post content regularly and engage with your audience. Build organic growth. Reach out to news outlets and publications. Use real editorial mentions as supporting evidence in your verification application. And there you have it, folks. The path to Instagram verification is a challenging one, but armed with these tips, you are well on your way to unlocking the coveted blue checkmark. Remember, it is not just about the badge, It is about what you represent. Keep sharing your story and making a difference. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to use Instagram stories to boost engagements and followers. So, stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.